Hello antique lovers, here are 4 bells, 3 crotal bells and 1 cow bell. First crotal bell is flower and closed petals type. Metal is copper. Weight is 2.62 grams. Size is 1.5 centimeter. Period 13th century. Casting process in one piece. This crotal bell is casted in one piece, means there is no soldering or no welding. Loop and this below part is also casted in one piece. These one piece crotal bells were made without soldering. Flower shape one piece were casted, and after inserting real peanut in crotal bell, 4 or 5 petals were folded like bud. Loop is casted with the crotal bell. In this crotal bell, peanut is missing, means inside this crotal bell peanut is missing. Second crotal bell is teardrop shape crotal bell. Metal is brass alloy. Weight is 2.23 grams. Size is 2.5 centimeter in length. Period 14th century. Casting process is in one piece appears. This crotal bell is also casted in one piece. The form is approximately spherical, but as cast, the bottom half or bottom spherical shape of the bell chamber is splayed, and after inserting peanut inside the slot and split half to be squeezed together, keeping slightly gap for sound. Loop is casted with the crotal bell like a rod and then folded and soldered at point. In this crotal bell, real P nut is inside. You may see here real peanut means there is no metal ball inside but the real P, and the loop is casted with this spherical shape and then folded and soldered. Third, crotal bell, flower and closed petals type. Metal is brass. Weight is 3.77 grams. Length is 2 centimeter with the loop. Period 15th century. Casting process 2-piece casting. Upper half and lower 5 petals were soldered separately and inserting real P nut or metal ball inside. 5 petals were folded afterwards. Loop is separately soldered in this crotal bell. In this crotal bell, real P nut is inside. You may see here a real P nut, and this loop is soldered afterwards. Two parts, half semisphere, and these 5 petals are soldered afterwards, and loop is also separately soldered. Last one, bell is cow bell. Mug shaped wrought iron handmade cow bell. Metal is wrought iron. Weight is 20 grams. Length is 6 centimeter. Period 19th or 20th century. Composition of wrought iron: 1% carbon, 2% slag means crush of coal, and 97% pure iron. Wrought iron is comparatively soft metal for making handmade things. To beat into shape by hand tools, then buried under the hot sand kiln or furnace. Loop, waste, and clapper all are made of wrought iron. Thank you for watching.